buzzkill. This is a solo gig. Cece, you're asleep. This is a dream. Oh no! A dream come true! You don't find it strange that you're making out with Robert Pattinson before you came out here and started dancing? Don't worry, I didn't let him butt my neck. If this isn't a dream, then why is Gary Wild dressed as a giant hot dog dancing with some squeezy mustard? Oh, hey, Rocky. I was having a dream when you were there. And Gary Wild was a hot dog, dancing with some squeezy mustard. What do you think that's about? But you shouldn't have eaten 4 hot dogs last night. Wow, you're good. Okay, get out, get dressed. You know Miss Licasio from the 3rd floor? The woman who doesn't like you? She does like me. Everyone likes me. Anyway, I volunteered us at her senior center, and we're gonna perform for them this morning. Wake up. Isn't community service great? Sure, if you're trying to stay out of jail. What's the matter, Mrs. Licasio? Is your arthritis acting up and you can't clap your hands? You call that dancing? I danced better than that when I was a Vegas showgirl. And I did it in my birthday suit. Of course, that was before I had my hip replaced. Well, let's see how good you really are. 'Cause it's time for everyone to dance. And remember, it's not your birthday. Oh yeah, say what? Say what? Dancing is a great way to get some exercise and increase mobility. I don't want to dance. Leave me alone. I don't like you. Well, I mean, sure you do. I mean, everybody likes me. I'm adorable. Yes! Let's have fun. Ready? Ow! Wow, this guy is amazing. I mean, does he even have bones in his body? He's like a jellyfish. A dancing jellyfish. Never get a spotlight dance. Why did I have to be born with a spinal column? Listen up, dancers, I need you to pick a partner and a charity for the marathon. Oh, they can help the senior center. We can get them a new couch, a new stereo, all the prune juice they can drink. Rocky, enough with the charity work already. I'm not wasting another Saturday. We're out there. Why?